This is cheap. Where's my chin? No, that's not chin. No. This is chin. Ang laki ng mukha. Ay, naka-video pala. Camera woman, show me. Okay guys, so we have a new product. This is the new product. This is the new product toys that I made. This is the hindi ito si Raquel. So this is the kulang pala yung window ito. This is the bus, pink bus. If you move it will move it. And it will move.
Ay! Untog na naman.
And it has no one window and has no door.
Ano, kasasakay dyan. Walang window, walang door.
We have a second product. If you like this, if you many like this, it will eat it like this. Oh my god. We have a third product. This is the blanket that I made. And it's so very soft and cold. It's so thin. Like this. I am a ghost. And we have a fourth product. Wait, we have a fourth product. This is for Drapolin cream, and I made by this, and this is made in Philippines, and it can remove rashes, and I don't know. And we have a few products.
Untog, oh.
This is for Puto, and it's a blue and red and green and blue, and I don't know, and it's many like this. I like sixth product. This is our sixth product. This is a Rubik's Cube. I made it, and you cannot solve it because it's impossible. And we have a seventh product. This is the seventh product that I crocheted, and I made it by myself. Look. And we have an eighth product. This is my eighth product. This is a magical ball pen, and if you write, it comes true. Buy it. It's $1 million. No. It's $1 trillion or $1 zillion because it's magical, and the ink is too konti because it's only limited. And we have the ninth product. This is an inhaler. It can be. And I have a lot of dust here, and it can be thrown away. And we have a last product. This is the last product, and it's so very scary. Look at the noise. Another time. Oh no, this is not the last one. We have another. So this is the limited car that it crashed. This is the car. You know why it looked like this? It crashed to the mountain. And it's not broken. Now, my product's done. Wait, we have one more. Wait for me, guys. Product is this. This is the Jollibee that a lamp is very, very cool and it's not light. It's a lamp. Look. Wait guys, this is not broken, okay? I have lot of batteries that I put in there. Look. Wait, guys. Let me figure it. No! Look! Don't ruin my product video. Look guys, I made it! It's a Jollibee na umuusap. Now, this is my last product. My last product is so very, very beautiful that anyone wants this. It can dance. Ta-da-da-da. Ta-da-da-da-da. Okay,
Maligpit mo na lahat yan.
my products shop are done, so my maid is gonna ligpit this. We have
Who is your maid?
this one.
You yourself.
Hey, don't ruin my product video.
Oh, ligpit na. Paluin kita dyan.
Another product.
Anong another product? Patulog na.
This is my another product,
Kalat ka
guys.
lang eh.
This is a very, very cute blanket and it's color green. And there's a lot of greens. Like this, oh. Oh, it's scary, right? Now my products are done. Perfect! Buy it all. It's only for $1 zillion. No, $1 trillion. Yay! I have a lot of money. I can buy a new house. Hey! Don't ruin my product video. Okay? Don't scream. Or you're gonna buy a house.